How to disable read receipts on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop others from seeing when you've read their messages. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. In the next step, scroll down and look for Read Receipts. Let me show you. Tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off. Following this, once disabled, the blue double ticks will no longer appear when you read someone's message. They'll only see the gray double ticks confirming delivery. Once done, keep in mind that turning off Read Receipts works both ways. You also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. From here, if you want to read a message without triggering the read receipt at all, even with read receipts on, open your Android notification shade and read the message preview directly from the notification without opening the app. At this stage, this way the message won't be marked as read and the sender won't get the blue ticks. Here's an important note. Read receipts cannot be disabled for group chats. Even with this setting turned off, your reads will still be visible to others in group conversations. Finally, if you ever want to turn read receipts back on, just go back to the same privacy settings and toggle read receipts back on. The blue ticks will start appearing again right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable read receipts on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.